How many meetings do you sit through every week trying to listen and take notes at the same time? And by the end, you have half written notes and still have no idea what the action items were. There is a much better way. It is called Happy Scribe, and it captures everything from your meetings automatically. No more manual note taking, no more missing important details. Let's get into it. Happy Scribe is an AI-powered transcription and meeting intelligence platform. And what that means in simple words is this. You have a meeting, Happy Scribe joins it, listens to everything, transcribes it automatically, generates a full summary, pulls out the action items, and then stores everything in one place where you can search it, share it, and come back to it anytime. It is not just a transcription tool. It is a complete system for capturing and organizing everything that happens in your conversations. It works for meetings, interviews, podcasts, client calls, research conversations, and pretty much any situation where important information is being spoken. And it supports over 150 languages, which makes it incredibly useful for multilingual teams and global organizations. Go to happyscribe.com. The link is in the description below. Create a free account and log in. Once you're inside, you'll see a clean and simple home screen with 4 options right in front of you. Transcribe files, add subtitles, record online meeting, and record audio. So basically from this one screen, you can either upload a pre-recorded file and transcribe it, add subtitles to any video, record an online meeting directly, or record audio on the spot. For this video, I'm going to click on transcribe files since I have a pre-recorded meeting ready that I want to transcribe and work with. Once you click transcribe files, a window opens up. You can drag and drop a file, select from your device, paste the link, and import directly from YouTube, Vimeo, Google Drive, Dropbox, or Wistia. I'll click select files from your device, find my meeting recording, and open it. Once the file is uploaded, this transcript settings window opens up. On the right, you can select the speaker's language. It is set to English by default, but you can change it to any of the 150 plus languages Happy Scribe supports. Below that is translate into. If you want the transcript translated into another language as well, just select it here. So your meeting gets transcribed and translated at the same time. Under customize, you have glossaries and style guide. If your meeting has specific terms, company names, or industry jargon, you can add them here so Happy Scribe always transcribes them correctly. And then you can choose between 2 transcription options. Human made at 99% accuracy, done by real professional transcribers, and usually ready within a day. Or machine generated, which uses AI and is ready in minutes. I'll go with machine generated. Then click create transcript and Happy Scribe starts working on it right away. Once you click create transcript, your file starts processing automatically. You can even see the estimated time remaining on the right. Just wait a moment and it is ready. And just like that, the transcript is ready. Let me open it. Here you can see the entire conversations transcribed and neatly organized by speaker. Every line also has a timestamp, so you can jump straight to any moment in the recording whenever you need. At the top, you'll find several AI tools you can ask questions about the meeting, generate a summary, fill in speaker names, extract key quotes, create subtitles, translate the transcript, or export it in different formats. But the feature I want to show you first is Create Meeting Notes. Let me click on that. When I click on Create Meeting Notes, a panel opens up on the right side. It has already picked up the transcript and started processing automatically. No extra steps needed. Let me give it a moment. And here are the meeting notes. Look at this. It has taken the entire conversation and broken it down into clear sections with headings and bullet points. Each section covers a different topic that was discussed in the meeting. Everything is organized, easy to read, and straight to the point. This is what would have taken you 15 to 20 minutes to write manually after a meeting. Happy Scribe did it in seconds automatically. And right below the meeting notes, there is the Ask Anything box. So if you want to go deeper into any specific topic that was discussed, you can just type your question here. And Happy Scribe will answer it based on your transcript. like having a conversation with your own meeting. Once you're done, you have two options at the top right. Click Share to share the transcript with your team by entering the email or simply copying the link. Or click Export to download it. Choose your file format. I'll keep it as Word. You can also choose to include time codes, speaker labels and highlights, then just click Export File. Let me open the downloaded Word file and show you what it looks like. Now there is another way to use Happy Scribe without uploading any file at all. Just connect your Google or Outlook calendar. It also works with Zoom, Microsoft Teams and Google Meet. When your meeting starts, the board joins automatically. When it ends, you get automatic meeting notes, key insights, next steps and AI-powered insights from the conversation, all waiting for you without doing anything. Once you have multiple transcripts, you can also use AI to search across all of them at once. Just ask a question and Happy Scribe instantly finds exactly where it was discussed. Your past meeting becomes a searchable knowledge base. Now let us talk about something a lot of people worry about when using a tool like this: your data and privacy. Happy Scribe is fully GDPR compliant and SOC2 Type 2 certified with EU-based data storage. So if you are handling sensitive client conversations or confidential interviews, you can use it with full confidence that your data is secure. So that's Happy Scribe, an AI-powered meeting assistant that transcribes your conversations, generates meeting notes, extracts action items, and keeps everything searchable in one place. If you would like to try it, you'll find the link in the description below and let me know in the comments. How do you currently take notes during meetings? Manually, or do you already use an AI tool? If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe to Tweak Library, and I'll see you in the next one.